Guys, welcome to AduKash official. You know what? I did a video in Jowulu here in Accra, and I told you that area is mind-blowing. I did another video in Ridge here in Accra, and I told you you have to see to believe it, right? Today, I am taking you, or I have taken you to the airport residential area. And guys, all I have to say about this area is, if you want to leave to make a statement, then I recommend this area for you. No, I said, if you really want to leave to make a statement, not just in Ghana, but in the world, then the airport residential area is for you. I have been to so many places in the capital of Ghana, but hey, I've got something else to say about this area. Okay, it is crazy, my goodness. Well, let me take you through some things that I found around this area. Okay, so in my head, all that I can say about this area is it's a beacon of urban luxury and a modern living here in Accra. It is situated strategically just minutes from the Kotoka International Airport. Okay, because of this, it is one of the most sought after neighborhood for home buyers, corporate executive, and astute property investors. My goodness. But you know what? We are going to explore more of this area, but I want us to take a delightful view for some few seconds. All right, we will be back to continue. There's more I'm gonna tell you about this area. Keep watching, guys. Guys, welcome. I believe you are enjoying the video. This is what I do on YouTube. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please help me build this family. Please hit the subscription button, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow this space together. You can keep your comments coming in, and you can like the video as well. All right, so this area bears a rich history legacy in the historic calendar of Ghana. Initially established as a predominantly residential haven, it has evolved over the years into a mixed use area with a unique blend of commercial and residential space. Development around this area started in 2010. Okay, so that is one thing that really amazes me. So when I found out that development around this area, all that you are seeing in this video, or there is, started around 2010, then it should tell you how fast this area have been developed. Guys, it's so beautiful. All right, so within 2012, all this transformation of the landscape into an urban hub were put in place, all right, or were started, all right. But one thing that I can say more, keep watching, like, subscribe, keep your comments coming through.